Hey everyone, I've got one of the neatest things that I have seen in a long time that makes every soldering job easier. It's an actual portable soldering iron that goes onto your DeWalt, your Milwaukee. They make different ones to go on different batteries. It's pretty amazing. This is the unit itself. It comes with, obviously, a soldering iron, a bunch of different tips that you can use for soldering different things, a little tube of solder. It has the holder for the solder so you don't burn soldering guns, so you don't burn yourself. It does have a DC 20 volt 3.5 amp input, but it does say that even if you plug it in, it may not be enough to power the unit. Cleaning tips, you just shove that soldering tip in there to clean it off. Your adjustment knob here, just a potentiometer, and your on-off switch. Now this particular one that I purchased hooks to DeWalt batteries. This is your standard size DeWalt battery, your 5 amp hour. Goes in, and this is your aftermarket, which I haven't used very much. It's a little tighter fit, but it still fits. When you turn the switch to the on position, it automatically tells you what temperature you're set at. So we're going to go up to about 750 degrees. Stay at 750 and give it a try here. It's nice because you can go basically anywhere you need to go, and you just take your DeWalt battery off, plug this sucker in, or your Milwaukee, and go to town and start soldering. It's pretty amazing. So we're saying we're at 750. Little indicator right here. That little indicator says it's used for real temperature tracking and compensation. Nice. Clean it off. Nice and clean. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over, I got some wires set up over. We're going to go solder some wires. So we've got a unit over here set at 750 degrees. There you go, and we're going to tin this wire here. Pretty thick wire for this tip, so let's try a different tip. I'm going to turn it off. Let's sit for a minute. We'll change the tip out. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. I changed that tip out. It was hot. So now we just turned the unit on, and it's already up to 600 degrees. Let's see if I put the right tip in for this size of wire. So you can see how in the field that would be really, really helpful. Now, if you end up getting a bunch of oxidation on the tip up here, they say to turn it down to 300 degrees. Let it stabilize. I guess 392 is as low as it'll go. And there's a little steel wool ball in there to clean this off. There you go. Beautiful. Well, that is the unit. All right, so I misspoke. So when you're going to clean off the tip due to oxidation, you will adjust this to 572 degrees Fahrenheit or 300 degrees Celsius. And if you want to change it to Celsius, you just push the button in. See if I can get it to switch. So you push and hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds, and then it will toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So there's a couple different modes you have with this too. You have, if you push and hold this for 3 seconds, you can toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius, depending what part of the country you're in. This first one is sleep mode. What this does is it puts the whole apparatus into sleep mode. After, right now it's 4 minutes. You can change that down to 1 minute. Once that 1 minute expires, it says SLP because it goes to sleep. You also have what's called a standby mode. So this standby mode, you can adjust it up to 8 minutes as well. It'll stand by after it goes to sleep for so many minutes, and then it'll power down. I'm not sure we'll sit here for one whole minute to watch go to sleep. To wake it up from sleep mode, you just pick it up and shake it. There, it's gone into sleep mode. It's going to slowly dial down the temperature. Now they say to wake it up, pick this up. Even if I shake, it's starting to go back up right now. So now it's awake. I do what I need to do for soldering. Put it back in there. In a minute, I'll go back to sleep. Pretty neat. Now I haven't used it very long, maybe what, 10 minutes or so. This is a 5 amp hour battery. It's still fully charged. This thing heats up really fast and holds the heat and works really well. And I think that if a battery is going to last you a very long time out in the field. I appreciate you watching. I'll link everything down below in the description. Like and subscribe. Comments. Thanks for watching. Have them out.